equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the Lenovo Legion 5. If your laptop isn't working, let's see if we can help. First, gather your tools, a screwdriver set, compressed air, and a soft cloth. Start by removing the screws on the back panel. Keep them in a safe place. Once the panel is off, check for any dust buildup. Use compressed air to clean the internals gently. This can improve performance significantly. Next, visually inspect the components. Look for any loose connections or damaged parts. If you spot anything unusual, it might be time for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. After your inspection, if you need repairs, we can provide a quote before repair. This way, you know exactly what to expect. No calls, no travel, just a simple process to get your laptop back in shape. Always ensure you handle components carefully to avoid further damage. That's it for today's guide on the Lenovo Legion 5. Happy fixing! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.